Hey guys, I'm here at Chattanooga Charge and I'm with Clinton, who owns a Cybertruck, and look at this thing. He has a grill with pancakes, eggs, bacon, the whole shebang. This is awesome. Clinton's from Houston. Tell us a little bit about your Cybertruck and how you actually came to build this thing.
Well, this actually was inspiration from Dennis, Ogre Codes up in Oregon. And I originally was gonna do something in the frunk, and I had this little 1400 watt grill. And it would have fit in there, but it just didn't have enough power to cook some pancakes. Or you could cook one pancake, you couldn't cook pancakes in a row. You'd have to leave it heat up. So I'm like, screw that. We're gonna buy this, and it was supposed to be 13 inches on Amazon. It's not gonna fit in the frunk. So the kitchen was born.
Wow, and then and you have a sink and everything. And look at this.
Cleanup is hard.
So a tube into this bucket. I take it you've gone camping in this thing multiple times.
We love camping. So put your hand in here. Just give it a half a sec.
Don't tell me it's heated. Oh my gosh, that's nuts.
Yeah, so we got heated water. But you need a fork to eat your pancakes with. So we can quickly make you a fork.
You got bacon.
Keep our hands clean.
And you're using the bed of the truck here to pull that down. You got a bunch of storage compartments. Is that like a cooler, like a fridge type?
Yeah,
unit?
it's on its last leg. So this is what we have for everybody later.
Wow, so look at this.
We've got
all of us.
This is from a local butcher here.
Way. Look
and
at
this. Is I don't know what.
Looks so
I think
good.
these are Kobe saws, or I don't know where the thing is. So yeah, we've got 100 of these for everybody. We've got. From a local bakery. They baked these for us fresh yesterday. They're hoagies. Then
awesome.
We've got sauerkraut, peppers, everything. So we'll break that out a little later.
Nice.
And then if we go to the front, everything we've been trying to do is about quick access to things you need a lot.
Sure.
So it started out, the kitchen was supposed to go in this. This is version 2.
What are all these pouches?
So these are moles. So these are chargers.
Oh wow.
These are cargo straps, dog leashes. What's in here? Oh, for you, camera, camera stuff. Basically, whatever you don't want to tuck and pile a whole bunch of stuff on.
Sure.
Then we got sugar, Thai tea. Girlfriend's from Thailand. I love Thai tea. We've got bowls. These are pancakes for kids. We should probably break these out. A little bit of food coloring. You can make happy faces.
Cool.
Coffee. You got a shower. You need quick access to that. Deodorant. Wet naps.
Wow, you got all the cutouts too to hold the stuff.
Yeah.
Did you do that? You made this all yourself?
Yeah, did all that. But slowly we're moving the electronics gear.
Look at that.
So this is hard drive, iPad. iFixit toolkit is like the best.
Oh wow, I've never seen one of
best.
those. Oh, look
They're
at that.
fantastic.
All the bits in there.
Yeah.
Nice.
Then we've got camera gear. So we got the gimbal.
And you just plug this stuff into your truck, right, to charge it?
So we just did that on this drawer on Wednesday before we came. So we tied into the 48 volt. Oh, I need this. I was looking for that. Tied into the 48 volt.
Okay.
Came up here, and the drone's plugged in, everything. So it's all charged. Because one thing, I'm terrible at video, trying to learn. And every time you go to use something, where we went to use the mics one day, we were at the charger and the batteries are dead. And I'm just like, no, we're doing it. So eventually, this will all be done for charging.
Nice. I love it. Wow, that's so great. It's so resourceful.
Yeah,
that's
so this
awesome.
This one we've got to market. So version 3 is available for pre-order.
No way! You're actually selling the setup.
This part. People want the kitchen. The kitchen's a little tougher, so we'll try to do it.
Okay.
Delivering the first ones come late April, sometime in May.
From start to finish, how long did it take you to get this thing installed and set up?
Oh, 6 minutes.
What?
6 minutes from my welding table to operational.
Oh, okay. To actually build this thing.
Oh, to build it. Probably November, I think we started.
November.
And then we were at Cyber Beach, and where I met a whole bunch of people in November. The first part, to frame it out, not very long. Before anything was done, this was actually bought, like I said before, it was supposed to go in the front, didn't work.
Yeah.
We bought the sink and the drawer slides.
Okay.
Bought the wrong size, so these are on 12-inch drawer slides, these are 18s.
And it definitely, it attracts the crowds. I mean, people they see this, it's like a magnet. They're like, oh, there's food? Wait, what is this?
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, thanks for sharing. Let's enjoy Chattanooga Charge. Can't wait for this.
Oh,
It's going to be fun.
it's awesome.
All right.
Yeah.
We'll see you guys.
Well, thank you.
Yep. Thanks.